Okay, here's a look at the emini S&P for Tuesday, September the 6th, 2011. And what we were looking at here and what we like to use at emini Day Trader is a tool called the market profile, in case you haven't seen it before. And these are all market profiles. For example, this is what occurred today and its corresponding volume profile. This is what occurred overnight. We had a short trading day during the regular trading hours on Monday, and the session leading into that, in the overnight session Sunday evening right here, and then we had Friday over here. So the market here came down to our next level at 66, actually traded below it overnight Sunday and then into Monday. The next level down was 47, and you can see that that was hit in this overnight set, or I'm sorry, that was the regular trading hours yesterday, the shortened day. And then the next level down was 32. It didn't quite get to 32, got down to about 34, and started to find some buying. So this is the regular trading hours. This is where market opened near its low and closed near its high. So it appears that the market has temporarily made some sort of low. It could be a swing low, could be a swing low for several days, if not weeks. The next level up is around 68. We're very close to that. Obviously, we got up to 66 in the regular trading hours. Next resistance at 85, and then at 1201. So those are the key areas that we're looking at. With this kind of move off of the lows, though, we do expect some follow through, and we'll be monitoring the 51 area for support to see if we can get continuation up. If 51 does not hold, then we will look more towards the market coming down into around the 40 area. We also use these market profiles here, which are the market profiles from the regular trading hours only. And so you can see that the move down we had late last week, Thursday to Friday, and then the Monday shortened day yesterday, and then today. As far as our trades were concerned today, we had a number of trades that were triggered. On our charts, our market tries to define the auction process on a very short time frame using the natural auction cycle. And when we have these blue up arrows, these are long trades. And as you can see, we had several of them today, but we also had some short trades as well, and they're identified with these down red arrows and corresponding dashed red lines showing the entries, the exact entry location. Here's another couple of short trades that we had going in here. So we actually ended up with a number of trades today. I think there was about 10 of them total. We took all but one of them, and I think a couple of them we got stopped out on. The first trade here was really not a trade that most of our traders would take, even though we did have the green filter, but we knew that we had been in a down intraday auction. So this is not a trade that most of our traders would have taken. However, these two short trades were. The first one worked out okay. It came down, hit our second objective. We only traded 3/4 of a position on this trade because of the degree of volatility, and it did move 2 points in our favor, so we had good profit on that trade. This next one here, it did not, and we were stopped on that trade, and then the market continued higher. Getting stopped on this trade, though, was kind of a heads up that better watch out. There's, maybe we did make a pretty good low here. And when the market came up and gave us these trades here, because we were still in the down auction, this was actually number one, and then number two, number three, and number four over here. Number three moved nicely in our direction, 1.5 points, so we had good profit on that one. This next trade, though, we were stopped out on this one, and so we could tell, we stopped out twice on these shorts. We got in on a really nice long here, right in this area here, and that one moved right to the top there. So that one actually moved a little over 7 points in our favor, so easily hitting our first two objectives and 3.5 points on the final. The next one here that we got long, it did hit our first objective, so we ended up with break even on that one. When the market came down here, this is actually the only trade we didn't take the long here because by that time we were into the red filter. But we did have another couple of short trades right here. So we ended up with 5, 6, 7, and 8. And these trades here, the short trades here were okay. We actually, they both ended up by being break even. Once again, some good strength underlying the market. The second trade did move a point and a quarter in our favor. Average offside on these trades is only a tick or two, usually maybe 3 or 4, but we get stopped. It's only for 6 ticks, so that's really our maximum stop on any of these trades. So we're looking more up, and we'll just see if it can get above 68 and then hit 85. On the way down, we'd like to see it be supported around 51. Any questions or comments, just give us an email at info@emini-daytrader, and of course our telephone number is also on our website. So thanks for taking the time to watch this, and we'll see you again tomorrow.